Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SushiSwap. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that recently SushiSwap has broken out another falling wedge pattern, and this was one of those videos. Now let's move to the live chart, and this was the falling wedge pattern that I was showing you in my previous videos. And I was telling you that target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $215, and you can see that the price and has rallied beyond that target, but got rejected very strongly by this long-term resistance of $2.75. That had been previously working as a very strong support here for almost 3 or 4 weeks in the month of March, from the month of Feb to March 2022. And now, after the breakdown, this previous support is flipped into a very strong resistance. And now we are rejected by this resistance. And after this rejection, we have also broken down very strong and long-term support zone. That starts from $2 and goes to $1.60. It has been previously working as a very strong resistance zone here, resistance zone here, resistance zone here, here, and here. And this time, it could work as a strong support zone. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can say, in fact, we had a bounce from this support zone, but again got rejected by this resistance of $2.75. And after this second rejection, the price then has broken down the support zone, and now it is dropped down to the next support here. That is approximately at $1.25. That has been recently working as a resistance here and support here. Again, it is working as a support. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously here in the month of May 2024, it has been also breaking at a very strong resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for SushiSwap that I shared in the month of June 2022 with my members. That is a very big harmonic bullish reverse regardless pattern that SushiSwap has formed on the monthly time frame chart. Therefore, this move is still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Aave, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 25th of November 2024. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the long-term trade signal for SushiSwap that I shared in the month of June on 23rd of June 2022 with my members. And that is a very big harmonic bullish reverse Gartler pattern that SushiSwap has formed on the monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. Therefore, this is a quite long-term trade signal. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price of SushiSwap is still moving at the very end of this buying zone, slightly geared up. We're still moving almost there. And the sell targets that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley, by the way, start from $12.27 and goes to $19.56. Now, let's move to the live chart. And here you can see that SushiSwap has recently broken out another falling wedge pattern. Since after the month of Feb 2024, it was moving inside this wedge. We had a bounce here, so many rejections, then we had another bounce, then we got a few more rejections, bounce, another bounce, and after almost had another rejection, but finally we broke out the resistance of the wedge. And I was telling you that target for the breakout from this wedge past several weeks or months, I've been telling you that target will be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $2. And you can see that the price and had rallied beyond that target, but got rejected by this key resistance of $2.75 that had been previously working as a very strong support here. And from the month of Feb to March 2022, we had several touch points here and had a bounce. But now after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance. And now recently we have also broken down this very significant support zone that starts from $2 and goes to $1.60. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price. And right now, we are testing this support. In fact, we have tested this support and geared up. That is at $1.25. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, and now it is flipped into a support. In case of breaking it down, SushiSwap can test the next long-term support zone. That is here from 94 cents to 85 cents. That has been previously working as a resistance zone here, support zone here, support zone here, and support zone here, support and support, quite long-term support and resistance zone we have here. And in case of breaking down $1.25, we can test this support. However, in case of breaking out this resistance zone, we can expect that it can make another powerful attempt to break out this key resistance of $2.75 once again. Now, if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, we can see that after the breakout from this wedge, we had a nice short rally, but so far the price and is not able to hit that target. That target is here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between $23 to $25. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.